Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. You can never have enough cases for your device. I was looking on Amazon and I noticed this case being recommended by Amazon. It said one of the best rated cases out there. It is the Ruky Kickstand case for the Z Fold 4. It says with the hinge protection. It has a detachable S Pen Holder or cover, and a built-in screen protector is tempered glass. So there you go. It comes in red, it comes in carbon fiber, black, and gold. And right now I think they have a coupon, or yeah, you can get 20% off. So I don't know, we're gonna see if it fits well, everything lines up, can you wireless charge with it? You know, the normal things you look for in a case video. Yes, I have a lot of cases for my phone, but I like using all of them. But let's see how this has a little kickstand there. You can see it in there. Nice little packaging from them. Not too bad. But I do like the red color. I do like the red. So it has a little adhesive like strips here and here. The hinge is like magnetic, or has like this little mechanism to close it. It has some protection there for the hinge. I like the feel of the leather in the back and the kickstand. Let's see. Kickstand is sturdy. Yeah, the kickstand is definitely sturdy too. And you can see where the pen goes. So if you don't have the pen, it's kind of ugly, but I mean, if you don't want to use the pen, you don't have to. Let's see what else you get. So it does have a adhesive strip there. You can peel off the protective coating there. They even give you wipes. They give you extra sticky pads for the inside. And then here's the pen holder. The pen holder is kind of rubbery. So what you do, stick this and then just push it down. So we're gonna see how that works out. Let's just pick up all this stuff. All right, so I went ahead and removed the protective film, and then I also have the adhesive strip. I do like the red color though. Okay, it snapped on there pretty good. You might not even need the strip, but it's on there. I'm also going to remove this so you can see this is a case that if you're going to use it, you're going to use it. You know, you're not going to take it on and off. But if you do, it's okay too. Let's see. So I want to make sure it's on there. I just like the red color. The pen, now the pen holder does add more bulk to your phone because it's sticking out there. But let's see. So it's not going anywhere pretty easily. You definitely get fingerprints on the front display. It doesn't look bad. Let's see. How's the touch sensitivity? So even with my screen protector that I have on it, you can tell that it still works really good. And the great thing about it is you're touching glass. It doesn't feel like that plastic. If you look at the volume rockers and the power button are open, it's easy to get to. Another thing people always want me to check is, can you get to the edge panel? You can definitely do that. It does have the cutouts that line up. The USB Type-C is open. The top is there. Let's see. So does it cover your display? Yes, it does. I'm kind of used to that now, but it does cover up your display. Do you get lip action? You don't. I think I forgot a adhesive strip. Let's see. I think I did. It's definitely on there. Alright, so one adhesive strip that I forgot to move. But you do not get lay down protection there. But you don't have to worry about scratching up your display because you already have you already had that tempered glass. On the back, the camera cutout looks good. Again, the power button works great. The pen holder does add bulk to it. Now, can you take this off pretty easily? So without it on there, it doesn't add bulk, but that's how it looks without the pen holder. You can see the hinge protection there. I don't know if that will scratch up your hinge or not, but it does have like little cushions here. Let's check out the kickstand. So you can do it like this, and then you can also watch it like that if you want to. So if you have it like this, you can at least use the pen. Now some people complain about the magnetic thing affecting the pen. I mean, so far it doesn't look like it's affecting it at all. Looks like it works pretty good for me. So, what y'all think? Actually, this is actually a nice case. I don't know about the adhesive strips on there. Can you pull it off? Let's see. So even with that adhesive strip, you can see me, I have to really pull that on there. And then on this side, it's on there really good too. So overall fit is good. Can you wireless charge with this kickstand there? This one, you may not. Let's see. So it doesn't look like you can wireless charge with this case on there. Now, is that a deal breaker for y'all? I don't know. But with the kickstand the way it is, I cannot wireless charge. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it. It gives you extra grip though. I like the leather in here. I just don't know without the pen holder. So I would probably keep the pen holder on there all the time. And it's not going anywhere. But hey, this case is pretty good. If you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, I'm out. Y'all have a great day.